Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a Nadine West unboxing. They changed their bags, which are really cute. It says I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. I like these bags better than the bubblers because they're reusable. So if you don't know how this works, if there's anything you don't like, you just put it back in this bag. It actually has a little sticky thing here you can pull off to reseal it, and then there's a shipping label in there. So they made it really easy. It was easy before, but I like the little strip of glue or whatever that you can use. So inside I have the list of my items and how much they cost, so I will be reviewing that. I always put that stuff in the description box, but I'm going to try to say it because some people have said that they want to me to show it and put the price. So let's start here. Butt sculpting, eh? Fitted design for ample coverage and support. I definitely don't need that. My butt's huge. That's interesting though. Ultimate tummy control. So let's see. I got two tops, two bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. And this would retail for $39.99 since these are the black pants. They're cute. They're very soft. Very stretchy. They're tapered. I do put pictures at the end so you can see what they look like, a full shot of them. So this is the back of it. I could see how it would make your behind look bigger the way it's shaped. Huh. Are these fake pockets? Oh, they're real pockets. Okay. They scored some points with that. I hate when they're fake pockets. But yeah, thick band, but it looks comfy. That's pretty cool. Have to try those on and read more about that. That's interesting. It's a layered waistband for shaping and support. It has 4-way stretch, it says. Next up, I have a top, copper top. This is $35.99. I've gotten the same top, I believe same brand, in different colors, which I'm okay with. If I like a top, then I normally do get it in various colors. Lace and see-through on the sleeves. Very pretty color. Nice and flowy. Kind of has a little scoop in the back, so it's a little bit longer. So that's pretty. And here's my second bundle. Ooh, these feel really soft. Let's see, these are navy pants for $25.99. I'm probably going to wear these around the house. They just scream loungewear to me. Really stretchy, very soft. And I don't know why it's getting like these weird spots on the camera. That's always fun. But they are navy blue. And pretty top. It's an olive color. This one is $26.99. Sleeves are kind of long, but they're rolled and they're pinned up, which is a nice look. It gives a plain top some character, and again, really flowy. So you can tell them like, hey, I have big arms, or my stomach's big, and they will pick stuff to kind of hide that, which is really cool. You fill out a profile, say what styles and patterns and colors you like, and they tailor it to you. So it's a fun subscription. And I have all these candles showing on camera. I have a bunch of Fragrant Jewels and Charmed Aroma Harry Potter stuff coming up. So if you're subscribed and mainly here for the candles, stay tuned. So here is my dress. This is called Blair. It's a coral color and it's $35.99. It's cute. I do like coral. Very pretty. It looks like it might be a little short, but I mean, you could probably wear some leggings under it. Comes with a extra button. And then a necklace. This is $34.99. Take a look. Just a simple silver chain, pretty long, a little thick. Yeah, not bad. I love this subscription. I like being able to wear it at home and have several days to decide if you like something, and then just return what you don't like, and they only charge you for what you keep. So it's a very easy, simple subscription, and I will put all their information below in case you want to sign up. I think I have a promo code for free shipping perhaps, so I will put all that in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.